Hey guys! Imagine driving across California, camping under the stars in the United States, or taking a peaceful road trip through the UK countryside. And your camper van powers itself, feels like a luxury apartment, and gives you total freedom to live anywhere. No hotels, no fuel stops, no limits. Today, we're looking at something that brings that vision to life, the incredible 2027 GMC Savana. 2500 Camper Ultra X. Welcome back to Next Lux Reviews, your go-to place for futuristic campers, luxury RVs, and next-level travel machines. If you're into camper van life, overlanding, and high-tech vehicles, make sure you hit subscribe and join the Next Lux family, because we bring you the future of travel before anyone else. Now, let's take a real look at this machine. Starting from the front, this camper van carries the bold and strong identity of GMC, but with a futuristic twist. The grille is wide, aggressive, and finished in a premium dark chrome look. The LED headlights are slim and sharp, giving the van a modern and powerful face. It's the kind of design that immediately stands out on American roads. The front bumper is not just for looks. It's reinforced and slightly raised, giving better protection and a bit of off-road confidence. Integrated LED lights improve visibility at night, which is perfect if you're driving through remote areas or national parks. From the side, the Ultra X conversion really shows its purpose. The body is clean, but extended enough to include all the living features inside. The windows are tinted for privacy, and you can see the smart design that balances style with practicality. There are built-in storage compartments along the lower sides, perfect for tools, camping gear, or outdoor equipment. The wheels are upgraded to heavy-duty all-terrain tires mounted on premium alloy rims. These wheels are designed to handle highways, gravel roads, and light off-road trails without any issues. While this isn't a hardcore off-road monster, it's more than capable for real-world travel across the US, UK, and Canada. Now, let's talk about the roof, because this is where things get interesting. The top of the van is equipped with a solar panel system. These panels continuously capture sunlight and convert it into usable energy. This supports the main battery pack and allows you to run lights, appliances, and electronics even when you're completely off-grid. That brings us to performance. This Ultra X camper is designed as an electric-powered van. Instead of relying fully on gasoline, it uses a battery-powered drivetrain that delivers smooth and quiet performance. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means acceleration feels strong, even with the added weight of the camper setup. Driving this van would feel very different compared to traditional campers. It's quieter, smoother, and more modern, perfect for long road trips where comfort matters. The battery range is expected to be enough for long-distance travel, and with solar support, you can extend your off-grid time without worrying too much about charging. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the van truly becomes a home. As soon as you enter, you notice how clean and modern the interior feels. This is not your average camper van. It's designed like a compact luxury apartment. The main living area features a comfortable seating space with soft cushions and a smart layout. You can sit, relax, work on your laptop, or just enjoy the view outside. The windows allow natural light to come in, making the space feel open and fresh. Right next to the living area is the kitchen setup. It's compact, but very functional. You get an induction cooktop, a small refrigerator, a sink, and smart storage cabinets. Everything is designed to make cooking on the road easy and efficient. The materials used in the kitchen area feel premium, with clean finishes and modern styling. It doesn't feel like a basic camper kitchen. It feels like something you would actually enjoy using every day. Moving further inside, you reach the washroom area. Yes, this van includes a proper bathroom setup. It's compact, but well-designed. You get a small shower, a sink, and a modern toilet system. For long trips, having a private bathroom like this makes a huge difference. Now, let's talk about the sleeping area. At the rear of the van, you'll find a comfortable bed setup designed for restful sleep after long days of travel. The bed is well padded, and the surrounding area includes storage compartments for clothes and personal items. Soft, ambient lighting makes the space feel cozy and relaxing. This is the kind of setup where you can park anywhere near a beach, in the mountains, or at a campsite, and still feel completely at home. Another important detail is storage. The Ultra X camper is designed with smart storage solutions throughout the interior. Cabinets, hidden compartments, and under-seat storage allow you to carry everything you need for long trips. Now, let's talk about real-world USA Bility. This camper van is perfect for digital nomads, couples, solo travelers, and adventure lovers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're driving through the United States, exploring Canada's nature, or traveling across the UK, this van gives you flexibility and independence. And because it's electric and supported by solar power, it also represents a more modern and sustainable way to travel. Now let's talk about price. Since this is a high-end electric camper conversion with advanced features, the expected price could range somewhere between $120,000 to $180,000, depending on customization and features. That places it in the premium camper van category. But considering everything it offers, it could be worth it for serious travelers. At the end of the day, the 2027 GMC Savana 2500 Camper Ultra X is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It gives you the freedom to travel anywhere, live comfortably, and explore the world without depending on hotels or traditional travel systems. And honestly, it feels like a glimpse into the future of van life. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you subscribe to Next Lux Reviews because we're just getting started. We've got more futuristic campers, insane motor, and next-generation vehicles coming your way. Drop a comment and tell me, would you choose this electric camper for your next road trip, or do you still prefer traditional RVette? Thanks for watching Next Lux Reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video where we explore something even more insane.